It is officially November the 19th. Let me check. Yep. And the days are getting really short. Only just now, since last week, I've finally gotten a chance to get out here. And look at that spinach. It's just about ready to harvest. And I came out here, decided to get some arugula and some lettuce for a salad. And right now I am very glad that I still have greens to harvest at this time of year. Because right around this time last year, there was an E. coli outbreak for lettuce, specifically romaine lettuce grown in the Salinas Valley. Some unscrupulous farmer decided to put fecal water on his crops. So, and also around here there's another unnecessary lockdown again. Don't know what the governor's thinking, but good thing I got extra greens growing here. Might see if I can protect the greens over winter. Here, of course, the 7-top turnip greens. I've been going ahead and eating them. And right now, my other field mustard here is just popping out flowers. So I might end up making my last harvest of this and just pulling up the plants and discarding the woody parts. And of course, black mustard. I'm really surprised black mustard actually has much softer shoots than the field mustard strain I got. I might actually be able to do selective breeding with the field mustard and select for ones with softer shoots. Or I could just get a broccolini variety. Oh, broccoli rab, I think it's called. Didn't get any time to pull up any more carrots this week. A lot of the things going on has made it difficult to go ahead and prepare the tub full of sand, wet sand to put the seed carrots in. So they've been in here in the ground. Let's go ahead and show the other beds. Looks like the rabbit damage has gotten even worse on this bed. I'm thinking at this rate I'm just going to go dig up some autumn leaves and then just cover the bed with it at this rate. Because this hole here, I don't think it was there last week. Or at least 2 weeks ago. No idea what animal's been digging in here ruthlessly. Well, let's go see the other beds. Here's a romaine lettuce. Finally, almost the right size to go ahead and harvest it. Very healthy. I'm wondering if I can find a way to protect these lettuce plants over winter. Maybe once they start bolting in late spring, I can go ahead and collect them from seed. Thankfully, I still have some more romaine lettuce if I want to do that. The thing about lettuce, though, one single plant can produce thousands of seeds. So you really only need to produce save only a couple of the best lettuce plants if you want to save seed for yourself. And of course, over here, there's not much left of that Chinese kale plants. And thankfully, this bed with the cover crop is filling in nicely. The Siberian kale and the vetch are sprawling out, so that should keep that covered. Let's see the last thing where I actually have things growing at this time of year, very late in the growing season. Over the past 2 weeks, I've gotten a few sharp frosts. The temperatures dropped down to 25 degrees Fahrenheit. I don't know what that would be in Celsius. I could put that on the bottom of the window frame on the video. When I was picking the lettuce earlier, I saw some frost bite on the edges of the leaves. I don't think it's visible right now. Sorry about the wind. But I've been continuing to harvest the lettuce for salads. It's nice to have a source of clean lettuce in case of another disease outbreak. And of course, right here is some more of the black mustard. It's setting out flower shoots. Good thing about mustard is the flower buds are edible as long as they're nice and tender. So I've been picking the tender flower buds and eating them, and sauteing them like a regular green. So not much growing this time of year. I'm trying to decide whether or not to continue doing garden updates or to go on hiatus until March. If anybody is interested, let me know. You can go ahead and put a comment on the bottom of the video in the description. So, good evening. That's about it for this week. Sorry for the hiatus. The weather was really bad last week and windy and cold. So, hopefully I can see you again next week. And signing off. Goodbye.